Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up or change the lock screen on your Android phone, whether it's a pattern, PIN or password. So if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, unlock your phone. Here you can see that I already have unlocked my phone, and now go to Settings app. So you can go to Settings app by scrolling down from your app list, or if you swipe down the notification bar, you will see a gear icon on the top right corner. Click on it. And then you will see an interface of the screen like this. And now you have to find security or privacy type option. Here you can see that there's an option, password and security. Just normally I'm gonna choose it. And here you will see some options. On the other hand, if you are using Samsung type phones, it might be labeled as lock screen directly. So you have to click on that lock screen button. And for myself, it's password and security. And from the list, normally click on this lock screen password. And here you will see some options. You have to choose of the password type, numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. So if you want to set a pattern, choose this one. If you want to choose your password like numeric, just choose one. Or if you want your password alphanumeric, choose this one. I want to choose pattern since it's very pretty easy and better. So I'm choosing this pattern button. And then normally click on this continue button. And here you have to provide your pattern. You will see a black screen here for the security issue of Android. Just normally provide the pattern that you wanna use for your phone. So I'm giving a pattern here and again draw the pattern, and that's it. On the other hand, if your phone supports fingerprint unlock, then normally you can also choose this enable option to provide the fingerprint supporting option. So I'm providing my fingerprint here. And that's it. Your new lock screen is now active. So whenever you lock your phone right now, there will be needed a pattern. So I'm gonna turn on my phone and it is asking for the pattern or my fingerprint. So I'm providing it and this is the screen of my phone. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to set up a lock screen for your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.